Hello, welcome back again to another recipe video. So guys, for our delicious pumpkin leaf stew or vegetable stew, I'm just seasoning the turkey I'm using because for this recipe I'm using just turkey. I added some thyme, some curry, some onions, seasoning and salt. So I added a little bit of water or just cover and allow it to cook. So for our pepper mix, we are going to be needing 1 bell pepper and 2 big onions. Because I wasn't having scotch bonnet at home, I decided to use a dry pepper for my stew, which I almost forgot to add. So right now our turkey is ready. I'm just going to transfer it into the air fryer. So we are going to be air frying that. So I'm going to keep it there under 180 degree for let me say 27 minutes. So right now our turkey is ready and I'm just blending my onions and my bell pepper. I added some vegetable oil to the pot. In here I have 2 seasoning cubes, curry, salt and onions. I'm just going to fry that for a while. Then I add my pepper mix. This is the paprika and the onions that I blended. So right now I'm adding 3 tins of milk tea. Yeah, that's what I'm using for this recipe. So I'm just going to cover that and allow it to fry. Our stew have been frying for like 10 minutes now. Yeah, it's time to check on it and just stir so that the stew will not get burnt. Right now I'm adding our pumpkin leaf. Yeah, this pumpkin leaf was frozen. Yes, I just cut it, washed it and left it in the freezer. So for this stew I defrosted it and just added it to the pot. That's what I did. So right now I'm going to be adding our fried turkey. Yes, our air fried turkey and also our meat stock. So I'm just going to stir everything together, cover again and allow it to cook, the final cooking. Meanwhile guys, at this stage you can see that our stew is ready. Take a look at that yummy goodness. So this day I paired it with some beans and some sweet potato which tasted so well. But apart from that, we ate this with almost everything: rice, plantain, potato, and it tasted so good. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and please follow our page for more recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.